Good morning. Happy Wednesday. I'm
Rise
Dee,
and shine. I'm Shay, and we are
awake to well.
well. Yes.
So happy Wednesday. This is also a holiday week. Super
Right.
excited to be here. This is our morning momentum, Awake to Wealth morning momentum show. We get together here and just we're on a journey, and we love to share and give back what we're doing and doing it along with you. So we definitely hope that you've been listening in. Today, we're going to just really talk about we spoke a little bit about goals yesterday. So from goals to income is
Mhm.
our topic today, and why prioritizing your income earning activities can be a game changer.
Absolutely. Um, because goals, right, without actions doesn't pay the bills. Right? So not just action, but the right action in the right time. So that is really where we are. What a perfect time, right? We're moving into a new year. Everybody starts setting their goals and those resolutions. And here we are getting started awake the Awake to Wealth way. Let's talk about goals.
Yeah, definitely. And why goals need priorities. The truth is that most people don't fail because they don't have goals. They fail because everything feels important. So nothing gets prioritized. Now that's
Wow.
the truth, right? I mean, it's just like you can continue to push off and push off. So when you
Mhm.
don't decide what matters first, your time gets stolen by
Right.
all the distractions. And in a digital business, busy work can look productive, but it can't and doesn't create income if you're not prioritizing.
How about that? So let's get some engagement, people. If you are tuning in today, be honest, right? Do
Mm.
you ever feel busy all day, but still feel like you haven't done anything to move forward?
Yes.
Like it happens all the time. Drop it in the chat. Be honest. This is an honest moment, really for yourself. I can say that in the beginning of creating a digital online business, I'd sit at the computer all day and sometimes I'd get distracted. I'd start scrolling, getting into other people's
Absolutely.
lives and then, 2, 3 hours would go by and then I'd be saying I didn't get my work done and prioritize my 2 hour workday. Well, it wasn't because I wasn't able to do it. It was because I had those distractions and I wasn't really solid on setting those goals and really obtaining them. So, if we talk about what those priorities look like, those income earning activities, how do you get prioritized? We're going to get into that a little bit. So this is always fun.
It is. It is. And the very first thing that always comes to mind, this was something that we learned in this journey, was our P123 method. And we've got a little exercise that you can do to really narrow down how to organize and set up your day. But let's define what income earning activities are, because this is where the game changes. Income earning activities for us being like digital CEOs are anything that directly leads to the money. So
Right,
not scrolling, not over planning, not doing the laundry,
right.
breaking away to, grab some lunch. It is anything that directly leads. So here are a couple of examples. Creating or posting content,
Hmm. Right.
following up with leads.
Hmm.
Learning and implementing a new skill. I love to take 10 minutes a day and just learn something new
Hmm.
and then putting that into action. Sending offers or sharing your link with people that you can help who would love to learn how to make, extra income, who might want to work from home, who maybe just recently lost their job. And
Right.
then obviously hosting lives or having conversations that build trust.
Right. Everything else is support work, right? Helpful, but not at first. So these are some of the things that once you start, I always say like practice makes perfection, kind of, right? But practice actually makes progress. So if you continue to do that thing over and over and stay consistent, we talk about that a lot here on Awake to Well. Staying consistent is one of the biggest key factors to getting to the end of the week with that goal accomplished. So we're going to talk a little bit here about high bandwidth, right? And how your highest value of work gets done when you are at high bandwidth. Um, what does that mean? You hear people say, like, let's talk about bandwidth. That's focused, clear, high energy time. For some people, it's first thing in the morning. For
Mhm.
some people, it's in the afternoon. And for some people, like myself, I'll be honest, my high bandwidth time comes around noon, like early
Right.
afternoon, late morning.
10
That's
a.m. is
when,
fine.
yeah. So what is yours, D?
About 10 a.m.
Yeah.
I've had time to kind of get up and I don't like the hustle and bustle. So,
Right.
10 a.m. usually is when I get into my bandwidth
Yeah,
time.
drop yours. Drop yours. What is your time? When is your high bandwidth time? Is it morning? If you have a specific time, is it 8 o'clock in the morning? Is it 10 like D? About 11:30 for me. Yeah, drop it in there. Let's talk about that. I love it.
Yeah. And when you use your best energy on income producing activities first,
Hmm.
then everything else feels lighter, right? And
Right.
this is how people build digital businesses with just a couple of focused hours a day.
Hmm. Yeah. So again, drop something, drop a heart emoji. If you know you have a better time of day to focus, like what is that? What is that? Like, let's talk about it. Drop it in the chat. You don't need all day. You need intentional
Right.
time. A couple of weeks ago, we talked about that 30-30-30 rule. Remember
Yeah.
that? That was pretty cool too, how you do 30 minutes, right, D,
Right.
of income earning activities, 30 minutes of your P123s, then you set your alarm. You do it again, you do it 4 times, right? And really focus on getting those things done with no distractions, one income goal at a time, one action at a time.
That is
The
right.
social media comes after, emails come after, everything else comes after.
Yep. And this is how busy people actually get results,
Right.
right? So let's tie this back to some goals.
Hmm.
This connects right back to our conversation on Monday.
Yeah.
So goals tell you where you're going, but priorities decide how fast you get there. So
Yeah.
when we align our goals with
Absolutely.
income earning priorities, momentum
Mhm.
builds fast. And the confidence grows when you keep showing up for yourself.
Love it. Love it. We are
Yeah.
getting better and stronger every day. So here's your action step for today. Identify your best 1 to 2 hours of the day, right? We said, what time is that high bandwidth for you? And commit to using that time for your P123s. You can go back to our P123 video on Ebbs and Ivory on YouTube, and you can kind of walk through that together with D and I. But drop your focus time in the comments. Let's hold each other accountable and let's get to the next level of ourselves, people.
Got a little distraction. We got the family. This is
That's a beautiful
I
distraction.
love it. I love
Hmm.
it. That's what's real about it.
Yeah,
Um, so right now, before we finish up, take your call to action, drop your best 1 to 2 hours of
yeah.
the day below. You don't need more time. You don't need better priorities. Thank you for rocking it with us today. We will see you tomorrow. Get out there, spread some love, have a happy holiday, be kind.
Be kind and be safe. Wait a minute. Are awake to wealth momentum today?
Yes, thank you. It's my
Yeah,
favorite
no
part.
worries. No worries. I'm going to make it short and sweet. Family first, faith first, family first, forgiveness first,
Oh,
freedom always.
yes.
Yes, take it
Thank
with you everywhere you go. Smile at someone today. And no matter how you celebrate, we celebrate you and we thank you for, like Dee said, rocking with us. We will see you next time.
All right. Take care.
You
Thanks.
got it.